Welcome to the Connect page of the newly redesigned TAA website. We will start by going to TAA.org and then we'll log in the top right corner. Once you're logged in, we can head on over to the Connect page and we'll stop right here so you can see everything that this page includes. Each one of these you can hover over and it will take you directly to what you're looking for. So networking is extremely important in the apartment industry, and this page connects you with those programs. So starting with the TAA programs and TAA Education Foundation programs, these provide a variety of different training, mentorship, and leadership development opportunities to help you meet your professional goals. So you can browse those. In addition, you can get in touch with your local apartment association as they host their own education sessions that can help you achieve professional designations. You can stay up to date with industry trends on webinars, and then there's a variety of different networking opportunities that you can attend locally. So you can browse those upcoming events to learn more there. The One Conference and Expo is TAA's annual event where you can enjoy top-notch education, networking opportunities, and gain insights to stay ahead in rental housing. So you can learn more. It will be hosted April 2026 in Fort Worth, Texas. We also celebrate industry individuals and companies in our professional awards program. So we also feature our 2025 Professional and Affordable Housing Award winners. If you flip over each award winner, it gives you a little bit more information about them. And you can scroll through and learn about all of those winners that were just recently announced at the One Conference and Expo in Houston this last May. You can also learn about the awards history and the namesakes. So you can browse through the different owner-manager awards, company awards, and special recognition awards. We open up nomination for these awards in the summer and fall. So if you know someone or if you yourself are deserving, we highly recommend to nominate for these awards so you can be recognized. So going back to Connect, we also have our past awards winners that you can browse, and you can click over each of these and it will expand the drop down so you can see all of the past award winners all the way through here. That is the Connect page. Browse it, explore it, and we hope you enjoy. Thanks.